Bonanza.
San Diego Zoo have a great day.
Hey, baby. Hello. Hello.
Okay, excuse us.
What's this one's name anyway?
Abi de bakıyor file, Batu da bakıyor. Bak bizlere bak.
And I am a San Diego native. I grew up coming to this zoo every single year as a kid.
Want to see the elephant? What did you do, Liz?
These are 1.5 feet long, which you'll find out once you feed a giraffe today if you go do that. They're also dark in color.
What's that big black thing?
We're gonna go look and read the
What's that
sign.
big black thing?
Tapers, yeah, they are tapers. Tapers? Did you know that?
And they're also part of our endangered species reading.
We should open the zoo at night. Yeah, that would be interesting. Like low-level lights.
See a lot of that. It's so funny. This thing's big. That's a camel. That's a camel? Yeah.
Stand up. They're guanacos. We saw these earlier. You can stand up on there now. It's okay. Well, you can stand up on there too. Where are you, too? That is a little like deer. That's what they look like. Dwarf market.
película de Disney aquí, pero bueno.
No sé, vale.
Yeah.
Guys, look, it's good luck.
Most of some of the animals that you've been here in our show.
You get a chance to go to the Wild Animal Park Day with Green program that I just went.
And this is an animal that legend states, if you see one here, and we're going to ask Kylo to perform a quick little flight for us. When he's going to remain seated, this is Kylo from Lieutenant Hawk. Good job, Kylo. Very nice.
Oh, the otters came on the back and
Come on out.
It's over there. Come on, it's over there. Come on. That's him. That black rock is him. That.
Girl, their bottoms look like a zebra. Caribbean. Why do you think he's so...
Oh, those are two over there. Did you know that, guys?